What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another tech video. All right, now today, there's my receipt. Can't show you that, but today I got my Samsung package in. All right, so of course you can see first in the box. I already started opening it. Is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Alright, just got this in today. Alright, and this is the 512 gigabyte model Z Fold 4. Alright, we'll go ahead and get into that in a second. And let's see what other goodies are in here. Come bundled in with the rest of it. Alright. Okay, we got the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Alright. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. White. Put those to the side. Then we got the standing cover with the S Pen. Okay. For the Z Fold 4. Alright, put that to the side. And then the last thing that I got for free is a 25-watt super fast wall charger. Okay, so those are the things that came in the box as a part of the bundle. Okay, so what I am trading in, because I got $300 off of this, because I didn't have anything else to trade, but I have this old Samsung A21. This phone isn't even worth $300 brand new, but they're gonna give me $300 for this phone. Initially they were gonna give me $335 for this phone and this A11 here, but this A11 I didn't do something right, so now I can't trade both of them, man. But $300 for this one, not bad. This phone is only $185. Like brand new, it was $185. So that $300 for that's a win. All right, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into to this, man. I was waiting all day to go ahead and open this. Now, I don't know if I'm actually going to do anything with these or if I'll give these to my wife maybe, because I just got the Pixel Buds Pro. All right, Google Pixel Buds Pro to go with my Pixel 6 Pro here. So I don't know if I'm going to actually keep these since I have been using these, but we'll see. We'll see what happens with these Galaxy Buds Pro. I'll put those over there. Put this to the side there. Now let's see what we got going on here. Alright, up. The first one is there. Cut. And cut. And inside of the box, I know you guys have seen the unboxing, so there's the inside of the box. But here is the device, and this is the gray green. That kind of looks more blue to me in person. That looks almost more blue than anything else. But here it is. Let's take the plastic off. Right there. Ooh, man, that is nice. That is nice right there. Man, that's really nice, man. I like the way that feels in the hand. Man, comparison next to the Pixel Let me close it. Let me close it. Whew, that feels good. That feels good in the hands right there. But let's see. Comparison to the Pixel 6 Pro. Man, it's a lot smaller. If you're using the front screen only, it's a lot smaller. Of course, if I open this up, boom, this is, you know, a lot bigger of a screen than what the Pixel 6 Pro. Alright, but using just the one, close it, boom. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's been a few years since I've owned a Fold, but that's a big difference there, straight up. It's a lot smaller in the hand, like this. It's heavier, yes. Fingerprint magnet for sure. Fingerprint magnet for sure. Get a little bit of that dust off of there, but let's go ahead and get the first power on. See if we got some juice. No juice. Dead on arrival. Nope, there we go. There we go. Not bad, man. Not bad. It does feel smaller than what I can remember. I mean, I never got the Z Fold 3. I never got the Z Fold 3, but it feels like my Z Fold 2 was a little bit bigger than this. But that's a nice screen, man. That is a really nice display. That is, man, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I'm going to go ahead and get set up so I can start messing around with it, test it out. You know what I mean? Put my SIM in here, actually use it. Take the SIM out of the Pixel 6 Pro and put it in here. And then I will, you know, put the standing cover on here, the case and everything with it, with the S Pen. See how I want to rock it. And I'll come back to you with the full review, maybe, you know, in a week or so. See if this is the phone that can take down the Pixel 6 Pro. All right? But thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all to those who subscribe. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.